Hi everyone, I'm so happy to see you. Thanks for joining me for a little circle time today. Do you remember the name of the month that we're in right now? Last month was March, and we said that we have a new month, and we haven't been to school together in this month, but let's look at it. It starts with the letter A, April. Our month is April. So, since it's April, does anyone remember our color for the month of April? Did you say purple? That's right. Our color for the month of April is purple. I went for a walk around my neighborhood and I saw some beautiful purple flowers. They weren't mine, so I didn't take them. But if you go on a walk in your neighborhood, see if you can find any purple flowers. Now, how about our shape for the month of April? It's an oval, that's right. An oval, we said, is kind of like a circle because it goes round and round, but it's a little bit narrower on the top and the bottom, and it's like an egg. An egg is shaped like an oval. I had an Easter egg, so I thought I would show you my oval egg. All right, so do you know where you live? In a house? In Myrtle Beach? That's right, we live in houses. Most of us live in Myrtle Beach in South Carolina, but we live on the planet Earth. Now this is not really Earth, it's just a kind of a representation of Earth so we can see what Earth might look like because Earth is huge. So we live on Earth, and I'm going to spin this around to where Myrtle Beach, where we live, is. Let's see. Can you see this little yellow state? That's South Carolina. That's where we live. But people live all over the Earth. So this week, we're talking about Earth Week. Earth Week. When we talk about Earth Week, we want to learn about ways that we can help take care of our Earth, how we can take care of the place where we live. You remember at school when it was time to clean up, we would all work together and we would put our Legos in the Lego box and we would put our puzzles back together and put the puzzles back in the cabinet and we would put the phones and the cameras back in the phone box. We all worked together to make our classroom cleaner and safer. Do you do that at home? Do you help clean up at home, put your toys away, or maybe you help your mom clean up the kitchen, or maybe you help your brother or sister clean up their stuffed animals or their blocks or something? Just like we work together at school to keep our classroom clean and safe, I bet you work together with your family to keep your home clean and safe too. So we all work together to help keep our Earth clean and safe. It's not a job for just one person. We all need to work together to do that. So how do we do that? How do we clean up the Earth and make it cleaner and safer? One thing that we can do is to throw our trash away. So I have a trash can right here. Do you have a trash can at your house? I bet you have more than one. So whenever you get done with something, if it's trash, you should put it in the trash can. If you go on a walk around your neighborhood or maybe at the beach, you could pick up trash to put in the trash can so it doesn't just lay on the earth. So I have a box over here, and some things in it, they're trash, and some things are recyclable. Can you say recycle? It's kind of a big word, recycle. Recycle means to take something that we're done using, but use it in a different way. So we don't just throw it away and make more and more trash. So let's see what I have in here. I have a styrofoam cup. Now this probably goes in the trash can. So I'm gonna throw it in there. Let's see what else I have. You know what this is? A piece of newspaper. Newspaper and other kinds of paper can be recycled. That means they could be used again. So I would put this in my box that could be recycled. Let's see what else I have. Oh, I have a water bottle and a milk jug these are plastic, and plastic can be recycled. So I would put it right back in my recycle box. Cool. You know what these are? These are tissues. Dirty tissues, they go in the trash. Let's see. Oh. This is some used tin foil. Tin foil can go in the trash. You know what these are? These are cardboard tubes from paper towels. Cardboard can be recycled, so it could go in here. Now, you might be thinking, how do I know if it can be recycled? I'm going to show you a little thing that helps. On this water bottle, there's a little triangle made up of arrows. That means it can be recycled. The arrows tell us that it's recycled. And it says plastic bottle, so we know that plastic can be recycled. But you can also use things to make something, like a craft, or you might make a noise maker. You could put some rice or some popcorn in here and shake it around and make a noise maker. You could try to drive your cars through here and see if they would fit, or you could paint it. There's lots of things you could do with things that to make them recyclable, so that we're not just throwing things in the trash after one use. Do you think that you and your family can think of ways to help take care of the earth? I hope so. I miss you all, and I hope I get to see you really, really soon. I love you. Have a great day.